Hi guys, welcome to another old school video. Again, this should be quite a quick video, but it'll be very useful to you when you're using your laptop, phone, whatever really. We're just going to tell you how to get the device to go into flight mode. Now, flight mode, as you probably gathered, is a mode that you're supposed to put your electrical devices on when you get onto a plane, as it stops your device being able to interfere with any of the electronic processes that are going on in the background on the plane. Basically what flight mode does is it knocks off any cellular signal, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so that your device cannot communicate with any other devices or interfere with any of those systems while the flight mode's in operation. One bonus that you'll find with flight mode though is if you put it on, one, you won't be disturbed by anybody because no one will be able to get in contact with you, and two, your battery will charge a lot quicker because your device isn't constantly searching to try and identify and connect to any kind of Wi-Fi, cellular or Bluetooth network. Bit of a bonus really. So on a laptop it's pretty easy. It's probably the same on a PC where you've got Wi-Fi and stuff enabled. If you come and look down the bottom right here, you'll see various different icons. That's your speaker, obviously, Wi-Fi, battery, and your volume, etc. If you click on your Wi-Fi one with your left mouse button, you'll see that it brings up whatever's connected and available connections. Wi-Fi is here. Mobile hotspot you can set up so that you can actually connect to a mobile hotspot rather than a Wi-Fi if you wanted to. So if you wanted to use your mobile to provide internet access to your laptop, you can do so. But in the middle is flight mode. If you click flight mode, simply it's on. Now if you go into any kind of website, you'll see that there's no internet connection, and that's because you've got flight mode on. As soon as you come off of flight mode again and you allow your connections to reconnect, and then you search for anything, you'll see that your internet connection works again. So it's simply click here, Bluetooth went off, you'll see flight mode's gone on, and now this won't work. So anything is no internet connection. Simple as that really. It's same with your mobile phone. You'll find on there the flight mode. Generally, if it's an iPhone, it's a pull up or a pull down menu from the main screen, or you can have a look in your settings, which I assume would be the same on Android. I don't have an Android phone. But yeah, so flight mode, not only useful to stop people getting in touch and to get bombarded with calls. So if you go into a meeting or something and you don't want people disturbing you, rather than turn your phone off, you can put it into flight mode. Then you can access notes and other stuff if you needed to review anything without being disturbed in your meeting. Obviously good for getting on a plane, and yeah, helps to charge your battery. Winner. So that was this video. It's quite a quick one again today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment or subscribe, or do all three if you prefer. That would be great for us. That'll encourage us to keep making these videos with useful information for you guys. Thanks for watching. Old School.